I sold cars for 27 years. And then I sat down and made a $9.95 book. Here's why that matters more than you think. Most people that walk onto the floor, most of them are guessing. Nobody hands them a real playbook. So they wing it. They chase every lead the same way. They freeze on objections, and by 90 days, they all quit. Not because they couldn't sell, because nobody gave them the foundation. That's the whole reason why this book exists. It's not the full system. That's a different animal. This is the foundation. The mindset shift before you open your mouth to a customer. One example, the first 10 seconds of greeting, that customer decides whether they want to trust you or write you off. Most rookies get that part backwards. And I break down exactly what to do instead in the book. 27 years on the floor and the number one salesperson in the nation for Volkswagen. I train rookies that sold their first car in a week using that same foundation. Follow for new word track every week.